My dear students, welcome to my channel Be a Topper. Today we are going to do some questions from integers related to ordering of numbers, sign of numbers and representation of integers on number line. I have already uploaded a video on full topic on integers and the link is there on I button and I will put the same on description box. Okay, the first topic is tag me with sign. That means there are some questions we have to put whether it is negative number or positive number. So the first question is 100 meter below sea level. Okay, so with respect to the reference line, above the sea level is represented as positive and below sea level is represented as negative. So here the question is 100 meter below sea level. So we should put negative sign. So negative 100 meter. So the second question is 25 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade temperature. So 0 degrees centigrade is the reference level. So above which is positive. So plus 25 degrees centigrade. If it is below, it is negative. So the third question is 50 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees Celsius. So we should written it as minus 15 degree centigrade. Then last question is any 5 numbers less than 0. Okay, we have already learned the numbers above 0 is positive and below 0 is negative. So whatever number less than 0 will be negative. So these are the some examples: minus 1, minus 5, minus 7, minus 25, etc. So minus 28, etc. So 5 numbers less than 0. Any numbers with a negative sign is less than 0. Next is ordering of numbers. It means which number is lesser or greater. Okay, then the number is, first question is 0 and minus 8. Which is greater? From the number line itself, we have already learned that when we are moving from left to right, the value of the number increases. So, 0 and minus 8. So, this is the minus 8 point and this is 0 point. So, which is greater? 0. 0 is greater than minus 8. Okay. Then what about the second question? Minus 1 and minus 15. So this is minus 1. Minus 15 will be somewhere here. Okay. So which is greater? Minus 1 is right to minus 15. So minus 1 is greater than minus 15. Third question is 5 and minus 5. Where is 5? Here this is 5. And where is minus 5? This is minus 5. Okay. So, which number is at the right side? 5 is at the right side. So, 5 is greater than minus 5. Then, fourth question, 11 and 15. Both are positive integers. So, 11 and 15 will be here. Then, first come 11. Then, after that, it is 15. So, which is greater? 15 is greater. So, 11 is less than 15 or 15 is greater than 11. Then what is fifth question? 0 and 6. So this is 0 and this is 6. Which is greater? 6 is greater. So 0 less than 6 or 6 is greater than 0. Then last question is minus 20 and 2. Where is minus 20? Okay, this is positive 2 and minus 20 will be somewhere here. So, which is the greater number? 2 is greater number. So, we can write it like this. Minus 20 is less than 2 or 2 is greater than minus 20. Okay, this is the exercise question 6.1 from NCERT textbooks for mathematics classes. And the first question is write the opposites of the following. Okay, these are the questions A, B, C, D, E and these are the answers. Okay, then first one is increase in weight. Usually increase in weight is represented as positive. And what will be the opposite? Decrease in weight. So this is can be represented as negative. This is positive. Here there is, it is not asked whether it is positive or negative. Simply write the opposite. So increase in weight, then the opposite is decrease in weight. Then what would be 30 kilometer north? What is opposite of north? It is south. Then third question, 80 meter east. Then opposite of east, it is west. So 80 meter west. Then loss of rupees 700. Then we have already learned that loss is represented by negative, then profit is represented as positive. So profit is the opposite of loss. The last question, 100 meter above sea level. Then what will be the opposite? Below sea level. So below sea level. Okay, so next question is representation of numbers with a sign. So the first question, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. So ground is taken as a reference level. So above the ground means positive. So positive. What's the height? It is 2000 meter. So plus 2000. Then second question, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level, below. So when below comes, it indicates negative. Depth is another word which indicates negative. So 800 meter below the sea level. So it is represented as minus 800, negative 800. The third one, a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit and withdrawal. Deposit is usually taken as positive, withdrawal as negative. So deposit of rupees 200 is positive 200. Withdrawal of rupees 700. It is minus. It is a minus 700. So next question is representation of integers on number line. Represent the following numbers on a number line. So here it is plus 5. First question is plus 5. So all the positive numbers are at the right of 0. So plus 5, this is the point. Mark the point plus 5 over the number line. Then what about minus 10? Minus 10. Here it is only shown minus 8. So this is minus 9. So this is minus 10. So mark minus 10. So you extend the number line till minus 10. Then next is plus 8. Plus 8. Here it is only 7. So one more line 8. This point is plus 8. Then next question is the minus 1. So this is the point minus 1. Then last question is minus 6. So minus 6 or negative 6 at the left side of 0. So this point is negative 6. Okay, next question. A figure is given as a vertical number line representing integers. Then we have to locate the following points. The first question is, if a point D is positive 8, then which point is negative 8? Okay, so it is written as positive 8 here. Then which point is negative 8? If this is positive 8, then if you are counting from here, plus 7, plus 6, plus 5, etc., then actually this 0 is equivalent to O is equivalent to 0. So this is plus 8, then plus 7, plus 6, etc. Then which point is minus 8? So we should count downwards. Okay. Then it will be like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. When we are reaching F, it is equivalent to minus 8. Okay. So minus 8 is F. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? G. This is the point G. G is negative integer because it is below O. Okay. So moving from O towards D, it is positive. Then O towards E, it is negative. So point G is negative integer. So negative. Write integers for points B and E. Then what is the point B and what is the point E? What is the point B? It is counting from 0 at O. It is A is 2, B is 4. So B is positive 4. And what about E? E is set downwards. F is equivalent to minus 8. We have already discussed in the first question. So what is E? Minus 8, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. So negative 10 is E. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Least value is the negative integer. So as moving downwards, it is going negative and E is the least value. E is the least value which has the value minus 10. Then last question is arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Arrange all the points in the decreasing order of value. So simply move downward, right? Downward. So first number is D, then C, then B, A, H, G, F, then E. Next is Siachin. Temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So it is written as minus 10 degrees Celsius. Then Shimla, it is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Again it is negative. Then Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above. So positive. Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above. So positive 20. Srinagar, it is 5 degrees Celsius below. So minus 5 degree Celsius. Second question is following is a number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius and plot the name of the city against this temperature. So a number line is given here. Then we have to mark the points. Very simple. Siachin 10 degrees Celsius below. So minus 10. So here it is Siachin. Then Shimla, it is 2 degrees Celsius below. So minus 2. This is Shimla. Then Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above. So positive 30. This is the point Ahmedabad. Then Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above. So this is the point Delhi. Then Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. So this is Srinagar. So these are the points marked on the number line. Now write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. Which are the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius only? Delhi and Ahmedabad. Okay, this is all about today's class. More examples will be discussed in next videos. Your queries and suggestions, please put in the comment box. If you don't want to miss out the upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.